Helping hands. At lunch, Farass offered to pour water for everyone. He didn't spill this time. Not bad, his mother said. Later, he helped Firass sweep the floor. Okay, this kindness thing isn't awful, he admitted. You get compliments. Old habits die hard. In the afternoon, Firass asked Farass not to leave his shoes in the hallway. Farass snapped, "Stop bossing me around." Then he paused and took a breath. "Okay, sorry, I'll move them." Their dad raised an eyebrow, surprised. Apology practice. After dinner, Firass helped Farass practice saying sorry with real feeling. "You have to mean it," he explained. Farass rolled his eyes but tried. "I'm sorry for being rude today." Farass gave him a thumbs up. Better. School redemption. At school, Farass helped the teacher pass out papers and held the door open. "Are you okay?" one friend asked, surprised. Farass chuckled. "Just being nice. Deal with it." His teacher smiled at him for the first time in weeks. Evening reflection. That evening, Farass flopped onto his bed and sighed. "Kindness is exhausting." Farass replied from across the room. "Yeah, but the rewards are better than you think." Farass looked at his reflection. "I guess I do like being noticed for good things." Helping a stranger. On the way home from the park, Farass saw a woman looking for her dog. Without thinking, he ran to help. He spotted the little brown dog in a bush, picked it up gently, and gave it back. The woman was so grateful she cried. "You're a hero," she said. Farass glowed with pride. Slip up. On day 5, Farass lost his temper when Farass changed the TV channel. He shouted, slammed a pillow, and stormed off. But 10 minutes later, he came back. "I was wrong. I'm sorry," I shouted. Their mother, watching silently, smiled from the kitchen. A new routine. Farass began waking up early with Farass, helping their mom without being asked, and even doing homework without complaining. Their father joked, "Who are you, and what have you done with Farass?" Farass laughed. "I think I like this version of me."